Going back, okay?
Wasn't recording.
Take two. No, it wasn't.
We'll edit that out. No one will ever see it. Welcome to Community Radio 95.7 FM WELT. That's Paul New Stewart.
Charles Renton.
Behind the camera.
I'm the video guy
Here,
right
wait a
now
minute,
with
wait a
the
minute.
steady hand. I'm
There
the
he
guy with the steady hand.
Okay, here we go.
And Elvis is waiting for us.
If you got shaky hands, you can mix my martini. Because I like it
He likes
shaken, not
chocolate
stirred.
donuts.
I have to go see if the mayor's here. I'll be right back.
All right. Thank you, John. Take it away.
I'm not the mayor. The other guy's the mayor. I know Tony Henry, though.
Ooh.
Yeah, he likes us. The mayor never comes to see us.
He ran away to Hawaii. He had a mayoral convention.
I'd do that too if I were him.
You're on tape?
He never saw us on. It's still going?
Yes, as
Hey,
far as
how
I
about
know.
that? We're going to play golf tomorrow.
That's right.
River Bend.
At 9:30,
Can I bring
weather
her-
permitting.
Bringing my bird Rusty. And
That's the name of that?
this is
tune?
the studio where we do the two songbirds.
Everything is here. Ooh,
It's all right. Is he here?
No.
Oh,
He said,
Time-
how can I follow those guys?
I could hear him.
There's no way I'm following the two songbirds.
We're going to run for mayor.
Or
No, it got
was it
rescheduled.
for or
That's why I have time
from?
to edit this. We have time to edit this.
Oh, he's doing my thing.
Yep.
Well, we hope Paul's better, huh?
Work it, yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Brandt is a bit under the weather.
Today we did our tribute to Bobby Darin, who we all loved. And that's the music I used to sing when I first came to Fort Wayne in 1843. Or no, it was in 1961.
Paul and Johnny Appleseed.
Yeah. We were roommates.
Planting seeds. Yes.
Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me.
Oh.
Well, I'm going to go to the YMCA and work out.